Hi, reader friends. It's me, Pretty Pops, and welcome to Pretty Pops World. Today we're going to learn about farm animals and our ABCs. So grab your copy of the ABC Farm Handwriting book by clicking below, only if your parents say so. Let's go. So let's get started. We have A. The letter A is for alpaca. So in your book, trace the letter A. A is for alpaca that lives in Atlanta. B is for bull that swims in the pool with his tools, friends.
Moo.
C is for chicken that wears mittens and likes to play with kittens. D is for donkey that stays with the monkeys. E is for earthworm that likes to learn, just like you, friends. F is for fox that lives in a hot box and sleeps on a cot. G is for goose that likes to get loose. H is for hedgehog that likes to chase big brown fluffy dogs. I is for Icelandic sheepdog that sits on a log. J is for Jersey cows that always take a bow. K is for kiwi that likes to feed on seaweed. L is for llama that wears funny pink pajamas. M is for mule who won't go to school. N is for Nigerian goat who puts on a coat and rides on a float. O is for ox that wears lots and lots of socks. Right, Pretty Pops? That rhymes with Pretty Pops. Wow. P, which is a letter that starts with Pretty Pops. P is for pig that has a new jig. Q is for quail that plays with the gray whale with a big tail. R is for rooster that gets a booster. S is for sheep that all he does is sleep. T is for taco terrier who is hairier. U is for Ural sheep who never makes a peep. V is for Vietnamese pot-bellied pig that eats lots of figs and twigs. W is for weasel that paints trees on his easel. X is for Zola dog who always chases frogs. Y is for yak, don't come back. And Z is for George, whose cousin is a horse. In your books, you're going to trace all of your A, B, C's. You're going to go through your book and you're going to trace your letters. And you can come back and watch this video over and over again so you can have an opportunity to trace your letters, friends. Until next time, bye and happy adventuring.